How to make naturally bright skin. Practical tutorial at home. Dull skin? Let's make your own natural skincare for bright skin from home. We need simple ingredients: lemon, honey, plain yogurt, and aloe vera. Mix yogurt, honey, and a few drops of lemon. This becomes a natural skin brightening mask. Apply the mask evenly to the entire face, then let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. After rinsing, apply fresh aloe vera to soothe the skin. Don't forget to drink enough water. Healthy skin also needs hydration from within. The result? Skin looks brighter naturally and moisturized without chemicals.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more.